In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets without a Gmail account. Let's say you've created a spreadsheet in Google Sheets and you want to share it with someone who doesn't have a Google account, or maybe you're not sure if they do. By default, Google Sheets is a bit protective and only lets specific people access a file. But with a quick change to the sharing settings, you can let anyone open it just by clicking a link, no sign-in required. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to share. Make sure it's the correct file, because whatever you change here will affect who can see or edit this specific sheet. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of your screen for the Share button. It's usually highlighted and easy to spot. Go ahead and click that. A sharing window will pop up. In this window, you'll see a section labeled Get Link. By default, it's often set to restricted, which means only people you've explicitly added by email can open the sheet. To allow people without a Gmail account to access it, you need to change this setting. In the Get Link section, click the text that says Restricted, or click the Change option next to it. When you do this, you'll see an option for Anyone with the link. Select that. This is the key step that makes your sheet accessible without requiring a Google login. Once you've chosen Anyone with the link, you'll notice a drop-down that lets you set the permission level. Here you can choose whether people with the link are just viewers, can leave comments, or can fully edit the sheet. If you only want someone to look at the data, choose Viewer. If you want feedback but not structural changes, choose Commenter. If you fully trust the person to make changes, select Editor. Take a moment to think about this, because editors can change or even delete data. After you've picked the right permission level, look for the option to copy the link. Click Copy Link. And now that link is stored on your clipboard. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, or wherever you're communicating with the person who needs access. Once they receive the link, they'll be able to open the Google Sheet directly, even if they're not signed into a Gmail account.